Hey, yeah, it wasn't easy, I know they doubt it. I do not talk because I'm about it. I like them rainy days. I'm stacking every single dollar every single time that I get paid. I want the pain to go away, hoping the real was never changed. I'm always preparing myself in the sunny days. I do not care about the rain. I know they doubted me, now they so proud of me. Wasn't you hating when I didn't have it, when I wasn't making any noise? When everybody tried to bring me down, I was still love. I was trying to get my money right, I don't believe in luck. I don't need that, I don't want none, I work so hard. Ay. Yeah, I don't believe in competition. I'm always the first one to get to the last one to leave. Everybody wanna be a boss till they find out who the last one to eat. I've been working every single week. Sometimes I forget to go to sleep. My discipline is the reason that you could never compare to me. I said I'll do it and I made it happen. The people that didn't believe me are clapping. I don't really fuck with nobody cause everybody wanna act like they happy. I know that they not, I know it hurts them. Seeing somebody come up from the same spot, I'm making money, but you can still catch me on the same block. It wasn't easy, I know they doubt it. I do not talk because I'm about it. I like them rainy days. I'm stacking every single dollar every single time.